How to programmatically spot errors. In order to use programmatic error spotting in your process, first write your rules in Python. In this case, we'll check for a regular expression and field validation rules on two entities we want to extract from a document. We'll then create an issue with custom text in case of an error. Here you have full modularity on the rules as written in Python to fit your labeling use cases. Then you can upload the Python file as a Kili plugin, which will automatically be triggered each time a labeler submits an asset. Let's see how it works in the user interface now. In the labeling interface, the labeler is annotating an invoice. He incorrectly annotates the currency by writing yen instead of euro. When the labeler submits the asset, it will automatically trigger the plugin, and in this case, one error will be created. We can check that the plugin has properly run in the Explore page by filtering on Asset with Open Issues. Indeed, the asset labeled is in the list. Here you can see the bot detected the labeler's error. Clicking on the error will auto-select the annotation wrongly annotated. Now just correct the error, resolve it, then mark the asset as reviewed. As the plugin is running custom code, you can use any relevant rules for your use cases and decide whether the asset should be directly sent back to the queue, be corrected by the labeler, or add to review to be checked by a reviewer.